Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video. And today, the dynamic do-it-yourself Diva and
TankManJoe 869.
We are going to work on another tasty find. This is Pistachio Cranberry bites made with roasted pistachios, dried cranberries, and agave syrup.
It sounds bad.
This is a gluten-free snack. There are 6 servings in one bag, and each bite is worth a whopping 110 calories. I would assume that has everything to do with pistachios. Pistachios are high in calories, and you do have brown rice syrup, agave syrup, you have some cane sugar. So anyway, so these are pistachio cranberry bites, and TankManJoe and I are going to give it a sample. Trader Joe's, this cost $3.99. This is what it looks like. That's for you, Tank. Can you show the audience a close-up of what this looks like?
Disgusting. I won't eat that.
Okay. Well, that's so 110 calories. We're going to sample this. It's pretty sticky, very compact. I can see this being used for, like, if you're running, having a marathon or some kind of race and you want a quick pick-me-up.
It just smells like pistachios.
Yes, it does. I have to say, I'm loving this. You have cranberries, a little sweet. This is good. If I was on a diet and I'm counting calories, 110 calories for this little bit of thing is, that's a steep order. But all in all, not bad. What do you think, Tank?
It just tastes like pistachios. I'm not tasting anything else. Just pistachios. It needs more salt though.
Salt.
Yeah.
Well, the last ingredient is sea salt.
It should be the first ingredient.
I don't think so. All right, on a scale of 1 to 4, 4 meaning I will get this again, and 1 meaning I'll pass on it, I will give this a hard 3. I can see there will be some times, you know, when I'm at one sporting event or another, and I just need a little something to just help carry me over until I get to have a full meal. Or if I'm running a race and, you know, I need a little pick-me-up in the middle of it. Yeah, so $3.99, I'll give it a I'll give it a hard 3, leaning strong toward a 4. What do you say, Tank?
I would give it a 1.
A 1, really?
Yeah.
Why?
Well, it doesn't taste sweet enough. It needs a little bit more salt. And too many pistachios.
Well, I guess you have to be a pistachio lover to really get into this.
I would not eat this.
All right, so there you have it. I give it a 3, leaning hard toward a 4. Tank gives it a 1. So, you know, give this a shot. Go to your local Trader Joe's, pick it up. It's worth a try. And once again, Trader Joe's, if there's anything on their shelf and you are curious about it, you can ask them to open it up. They'll open it up for you, and you can try it there without spending 1 dime. If you're adventurous, go ahead and grab one of these because like you said, there's a lot of pistachio in it, so you got to be a pistachio lover. All right, so that's it. Until next time, take care.